Okay. This is mine, so I'll be trying this for the first time. And I think I better move away. Should I throw up? So I'm trying the widgety worm. Ah! Just give me a second. So I'm trying the second one. It's like dried crayfish. And this is a whole frog. Right, I'll try it. Ah! This is a widgety type worm thing. I don't want the head. Ah! I don't like this one. This is the locust. Is that the crickets or the locust?
Grasshopper.
Grasshopper. Whoa. Ah, don't like the taste. And last but not least, it's the locust. Just took the leg off. Not bad. Very nice. Oh! This guy is really on my case. He's insisting that I eat the beetle. So I'm trying the beetle for the first time.
Is it good? Is it any good? Is this any good?
It's tasty actually. It's nice.
You're changing color. Is that normal? Have a good one.
Thank you. This one drew. I don't like this one. Anyway, that's my first time, and it's like eating termites really, all of them. Except the last one that drew a bit. Alright then, cheers. Thank you. Thank you. Right. I'm trying my scorpion with a one, and I'm cheating because I've chosen one with a broken thingy. So here goes. It's very crunchy. In fact, it's very hard. I'm not sure if it's the way it was made, but it's quite bitter. Ah, and it stung my tongue. Just so you have a good look. I think with these things you don't bother looking at it, just eat it. I don't like it. Thank you. Nah, it's bitter. Thank you. He's telling me to eat it. He's the one selling it and he's telling me to eat it. So I'll put this here. I've tried it, tasted it. At least I've tried. Right. What haven't I tasted? Okay, I think that's me. All right then.